I'm holding one of the most ancient and primitive animals whose body structure has remained unchanged since Precambrian times. It's a sponge. The body of a sponge consists of a wall perforated by tiny holes named pores and a relatively big cavity inside it. The sponge draws water within these pores, allowing its cells to extract oxygen and food from water. The filtered water is then expelled through an opening on the top of a sponge, like these ones, the big ones. Compared to other animals, sponges are very simply organized. They don't have true organs or tissues, but their cells are diverse in shapes and remarkably flexible. They can move through body of a sponge and transform from one cell type to another. The outer surface of a body and internal cavity are lined with cells called pinacocytes. These are flat and fit together more or less tightly. Pores are located between those cells or sometimes directly in them. These cells act like a barrier between internal and external environments and allow a sponge to anchor itself to a seafloor. Within the channels running through a body wall are cells called choanocytes. They create a water flow using their whip-like flagella. If some food particle, like unicellular algae or bacteria, flows past choanocyte, they phagocytize. I'm sorry, I don't know how to pronounce this in English. This particle, they basically swallow it, and that's how they get nutrition. Between the layers of pinacocytes and choanocytes lays a structure called mesohyl. It consists mostly of skeletal elements, a diverse type of cells, and intercellular material. Some cells within the mesohyl produce skeletal elements such as collagen, an elastic protein similar to one in our ears or nose, and spongin, a specific form of collagen that creates thick, dense fibers.